Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'll be helping you to create your technology business website. So after creating your account on Wix.com, you hit to create new site and fill up the information needed. First information is what type of business you are doing here, what kind of business you are creating. We said technology, blog, company, technology, YouTube, personality, advisor, writer, tutorial, portfolio, community, support provider, writing portfolio, PR company, and many technology categories. So let's check. And yes, let's start with technology company. Then click on next. What's the name of your business? Next. You can change the name of your business anytime while editing, and after publishing you can still choose your business name. Here we have the app you want to add to your website, chats, events, blogs, forums. Down here we have the online store, the booking, portfolio, pricing plans. We have the Instagram feed, videos, music, online programs, forums, groups, and file share, table reservation, and other restaurant settings. Click on next. Here we have start your business. You go back to the dashboard and select your settings and business one by one, or you can start designing the template by clicking here, or you can let Wix editor choose your template. Here you choose template and click on it depending on your business, or you can just let Wix editor create your page and website, and you just do some little edits. So we just have to wait, and while waiting don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we fill up this list. You need the logo of your website, the name of the website, your email, not yours, the company's email, the address where the company is located. We have here the phone number, and you link it to a social media account. Then click on next. Now you choose a theme you like. We have the high rise, the minimal, the fused, the fresh, the hype, and the jet black. Let's choose between the jet black and this one. Click on it, then you choose next. Next. So now you have to wait while Wix create 3 examples for you. Now they are preparing your homepage design. As I said, it will give you 3 examples. You have to choose one of them. Your website will be one of them. we just wait. Here we have the 3 examples. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. I'm choosing the third one. And next. Now they will ask you to enhance your homepage with some other things like some informations about you, the story, and the contact, how people can contact you, your informations, some videos. Here you add about your information, like I said, the news or the contact, how people will get in touch with you. You can add them now, or you can skip to your site directly and add in them manually. So you have to choose here. You can add them you can add 3 of them, not only one. Now we are heading to your ready website. We are waiting. And while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your website will be ready in seconds. That's why what Wix editor meant by minutes. You just have to fill some few informations, choose the design, and your website will be ready just in time. And this is your website ready to start. Here we have, you can add elements, sections, pages, menus, sites, design, apps. You can edit your business, payments, and addresses. We have the media and content manager. Here, this is how your website will look. Story, the news, the location, and contact information. And that's it. Next, you publish your website by linking it to a domain if you already have one, or you can just ask Wix for a domain. There is my website, and you click done. Whatever you edited on this website will be edited here on your real website. Publish it one. So this is how my website will look to visitors. If I change anything in the previous page, here it will change too. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.